Model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCI 125PS 330 Kombi L2 High RF Spares OR Repairs Needs Turbo Rare 330 Starstruck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 198176. MOT, 31 August 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine is 100% all thoroughly checked by our Ford mechanics. 2.2 engine simple repairs on this kissy face. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, reversing camera, air con,